AI Video Tools in 2022 Part 2. InVideo is a video creation tool that uses AI to automate many aspects of video editing, including music selection, text-to-speech, and voiceovers. Animoto is a video creation platform that uses AI to generate videos from photos, video clips, and text. Vidnami is a video creation tool that uses AI to automatically generate video content from text-based content. RenderForest. RenderForest is a video creation platform that uses AI to generate videos from customizable templates, with features like text-to-speech and a media library. Videos is a cloud-based animation platform that uses AI to create professional-grade animations for videos. Kaltura is a video management platform that uses AI to optimize video delivery and create interactive video experiences for viewers.